Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're doing another haul video. Massive package and two little ones. Let's start with this black one. Oh, look at that. Ribbons. Lots of ribbons. Oh, that is the most beautiful color. It looks like my hair. Although right now I dyed my hair all brown, but this will be back after the summer. So I got this beautiful color. And pink, baby pink, red. These are very long, although I don't remember how long they are, but it says on the listing yellow. This is very bright, almost gold, almost a little bit too orange for gold, but it's a beautiful color. Then we got two dark blues, very similar, but this one is darker. Gorgeous colors. And it looks like it's really good quality too. Yes, got a minty Maldives ocean kind of color. Beautiful. Okay, then the next package. Ooh, finally some fun stuff. Not just cutting dies. Stickers. I also started doing, ooh, something else in here. I started doing more videos showing my sticker collections, which you can find in the sticker playlist stickers, when I show these stickers individually. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna show you a quick look at what we have here. These are unicorns. This is one very thin layer of musical instruments. This one has mostly coffee and pastry themed stickers. Nice. Oh, look how cute. Oh my god, so adorable. And on the back it shows which sheet has what. But in those sticker videos we'll go into more detailed looks. Very adorable. Peach. And this is similar but not the same. And then we also have some sentiments. A gardening. This has 6 sheets. This has another 4. These ones are my favorite. I have so many of these. This one is not showing the previews, but there's 6 sheets of different kind of vintage and like Victorian style stickers in them with the similar drawing and similar coloring techniques. This is manga style-ish, and it has random things in here. Sometimes the things that are in the sticker sheet, they do not belong together. Like this one time, in one of the sticker videos I was showing cats, that there was a zodiac sign for Pisces. There were 4 sheets, I think, or 6, 4 or 6, and only 2 of them were Pisces themed. The other ones were, there was one for whales, and then there was one for gardening. There was a big tulip in there. There's a girl sitting here, and see, like, there's another one, a fairy. Oh, I have this in a washi. There's a skeleton. And then a couple of Halloween stuff. Flowers, 48 pieces. Oh, look at these. So cute. I love it. And then this is also pretty much like a washi, and I bet you I have these in a washi. And the last one is dancer musical stuff. There's more music stuff on the back. We'll take a closer look on those in the sticker video. Alright, what could be in here? Treasure, that's what. Yay. Okay, so first we got butterflies. And these are stickers, but they look like washi, so you can peel off one each. You can see they're laying on top of each other. So these are actually stickers. And these are mushrooms. Same. Stickers laying on top of each other, and then you can peel one off. And this is rainbow, but they are laying on top of each other, so you can peel it off. And so sometimes these little boxes have washies in them, but sometimes they're just stickers. As you can see in the back, stickers. I'm gonna show you this one. It's a cute one. They're animal stickers. So we got different kinds of animals in here, and they all have duplicates. So usually like 4 or 5 of each. Cute little stuff. So that one's for animals, and then this one is like a mushroom one. A forest. Mushrooms. What is that? I'm not sure. Yeah, beautiful. Although what I don't like in this, that usually these have a white background. Let's see. See, the difference between washi and this is that it has a white background around it. I prefer when it's see-through, so there's no white edge to it, but it is what it is. These are very, very cheap. And then the last one is like little books and cute little stuff to show you a little bit. So there's books, bird cage, a journal. That's cute. Flower. We'll take a closer look in sticker videos. Alright, so that was a good package. Okay, this massive 20-pound package. It's been carefully wrapped up, and there are a ton of stamps. Look at this. So much. Whew. Let's get started. Oh my god. I think there's at least 50 in here. There's 2 rows like this, and each is about this thick. Should we count it at the end to see how many is in here? I'm kind of excited. Okay, journaling. I was lacking in these, so I bought a few of these that I can use, because I have a lot of like this, but I was looking for something different, so I can do different style each time. And my handwriting is not the greatest. I should have been a doctor. So writing all of these by hand is not the greatest idea for me. So I will just stick to stamping. Oh, this is actually very similar to this one. The same font, I think. A few more for the journals. Then we got numbers and letters. There's the mood tracker. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, that's a duplicate. Yes, they sent me 2 of this. Okay, well, one of them is going into the giveaway. So there's 2 of that. I think, could be wrong. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay, another one. And this is mostly numbers. And this one is one big stamp. So you can do trackings. Sentiments. Lots of sentiments. Although these are very, very small, so it will be impossible to do heat embossing in it. So that will have to stay with stamp. This will go into the vintage elements. Birds. And then we got frame. And some very nice sentiments with flowers. I think it's going to be very good quality. Oh, that's cute. They even have moustaches. And the taxi. And then we got some sea. I love this part. Perfect for journaling again. Flamingo and parrot. Zebra. Scarecrows. Very cute scarecrows. elves. I'm gonna assume these are elves. The ears. Happy elves. Obviously the scarecrow did not work on them. More elves. Bear. Sending smiles across the miles. That's adorable. More elves. Different style. Look at those noses. I have something very similar to this, but it's not the 9, it's something else. Ooh, Christmas! Ho ho ho! This will go into the vintage elements. There's a lot going on there, and they're pretty big, so it takes up a big space. We got some stuffed animals for like a dream theme. The clouds. More elves drinking coffee or tea. Very cute designs. That one is eating a cake. Alright, we are about halfway through. Alright, so clocks. I think this is one big stamp. And then angels. A clock and angels. Here we have a person shaped forest. Interesting. Oh, look at this. A baby giraffe drinking milk. And a sippy bottle. More baby giraffe. That's so cute. We got a couple of baby animals here. Birds learning how to swim. Ducks. Little ducks. Not birds. Little duckies. An elephant. Adorable. Dreamcatcher. And more elements. Fishies. Baby tigers. Oh, and a koala. Trying to fly. Cactus. And the next one is one big stamp, and I think it will go into the vintage elements as well, because this is not something I would put on a card. It's more like something I would put on a journal, and it's one big stamp, so I cannot take them apart. And it'll be perfect to just add some details. Okay, this is also one big stamp. Giraffe. Wow. I'm just thinking about where am I gonna store all of these. Nice. Probably going to vintage elements too. Got some Egyptian. And this one. If not, then what? The struggle. No struggle, no progress. I mean, I don't know if I believe in that. Life is not supposed to be a struggle. As long as you do something you love, you should not struggle. Christmas deers. Deers? Or, no, what's the other one? It's not a deer. It's the other one from Canada, like the really, really big ones that are bigger than a car. Yeah, names. Very cute. And the lines are very thin, so I'm thinking it will be good quality. And we also got good size sentiments too. Moose. That's what they are. Moose. Some magical creatures. We got these are animals dressed in wizards and witches. This is for bullets, yoga, squats, cardio, lifting, things that are not in my vocabulary. Snacks, does it say snacks? Pretty sure that that's supposed to be snacks. Flowers. Ooh, that's actually very nice. Looks like it's gonna be good detailing. However, that one is very crowded. As you can see, there's an image in it. We'll be able to see when I test these out. Drinks. I want to do a journal for drinks, like drink recipe. Yes. Animals. very black one for Easter. This has German writing on it. Are you guys okay with me doing German sentiments? Let me know, because a lot of these come with German sentiments. These are gnomes. Easter gnomes. Looks like everything is Easter. And some flowers. Alright, we got a few more. Pugs. Look at that. So cute. You can put antlers on it or a Christmas hat. Pugs are people too. Oh, so puggable. Pugalicious. Piggies and cows and chickens and sentiments. These are cat sentiments. OCD. Obsessive cat disorder. Cats leave paw prints on you. Never underestimate the power of purr. You're the perfect friend. That's cute. Have a perfect birthday. Fairies. And Flintstone babies. From the dinosaur era. Then we got some dogs. Yes? Yeah, they're all dogs. Very adorable. With some little tags where you can put in a sentiment. And this is a birthday. There's a dog sitting on a birthday cake. Kind of cute. Kind of confusing. We got a girl drinking a coffee. And the last two piece we have for this is this edge cutting die and this frame. So this is actually a two-piece frame. That was a lot. Let me count how many stamps I had in this package. Does anyone remember at the beginning of this package when I opened it, what did I say how many I think it's in here? There's and there is 64 stamps in this package. I think I said about 50. So 64 in this package. Wow, that was a lot. But yeah, this haul was actually really good. We got some really cute stickers and also got some ribbons. So I am not mad with this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was entertaining. I will talk to you guys in the next one.